You talking to me? Oh, see, it's the wrong tone. Do it again. I'll stab you in the face with a solder iron. Huh? What are you gonna do with that? Anyways, you like solder irons? I do too. My name's Clem. Come down to Crazy Clem's for all your selections of solder guns, pencils. My favorite, if you really want to stab someone in the face, is a cordless solder iron. The cordless is on the go. Stab them real quick, right in the face. So come on down. Look at all our solder irons. Come on down today.